Hello, this is Heidi Ewing at Civic Nebraska. I'm the Public Policy Director, and I'm here to give you an update on what the legislature's been doing the last couple days. We started bill introduction, so they have until the 10th day of session to introduce all their new bills. And the one we were really looking at today is LB20, introduced by Senator Justin Wayne of Omaha. This is a bill he's brought several times before to do away with a 2-year wait period before people who have served felony sentences are eligible to vote. And this is an issue that's important to Civic Nebraska and our supporters because it's an absolutely arbitrary reason to keep people from voting when they do have that civil right. It's also incredibly unusual for states to do that for an arbitrary amount of time. And so we want this to be the year that we do away with that and let people start voting immediately upon completion of their sentence and their probation. We're committed to making this the year that we do away with this unnecessary legislation and make sure that those voting rights are restored. Go to our website at civicnebraska.org to learn more about how you can get involved.